doing? Tell Papa you're making pumpkin pie.
I'm making pumpkin pie. Really?
Right. He does a good job. Let me just help you get a little bit of a... Okay. Whoa. Okay, I know. You do better than me.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that good? Is he doing the best job, Papa?
Yep.
It's getting better. Look at
it. It's getting better. You have to keep stirring till it's all one color.
Look at that. What's the time?
What's that, hon?
What's the time?
What's the time? It's 11:40. Keep stirring. You're really working hard. This is going to be the best pumpkin pie we've ever had.
Look at that. It's getting mixer.
Right. He's a good mixer, Papa. Okay, it's just about ready. Very good. Thank you.